Hello beautiful people! Welcome back to another video. It's me, Cindy. Last December 2020, my husband and I dined in at Bellissima in Escala Tagaytay and we ordered and rice, of course. Their rice is good for 2 to 3 persons pero we ordered one each. Of course, naubos namin yon. We definitely enjoyed the crispy pata, obvious naman, and we hope to bring our families there in the future. And diba yung experience dining with this view. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and adios beautiful people.